Militer Rusia merilis keberhasilan serangan rudal presisi tinggi mengeliminir pasukan elit Ukraina. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, tanggal 30 Juli merilis rudal Iskander berpresisi tinggi mengenai markas sementara kelompok nasionalis Kraken yang disamarkan di hanggar pabrik pengolahan daging lokal dekat Bogodukov, wilayah Kharkov. Serangan-serangan tersebut mengakibatkan musnahnya hingga 30 nasionalis dan 10 unit peralatan militer, kata Letjen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Unit operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri Rusia terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. 8 pos komando terkena, termasuk Brigadi Serangan Lintas Udara ke-80 di dekat Seves dan Brigadi Mekanik ke-72 di dekat Artemovsk di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, serta 256 area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer musuh. 3 gudang senjata misil dan artileri serta amunisi Brigadi Mekanik ke-72 di dekat Artemovsk dan Brigadi Mekanik ke-24 di dekat Soledar di Republik Rakyat Donetsk dihancurkan. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina melansir 170 prajurit Rusia tewas dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 40.670 tentara Federasi Rusia dieliminir Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina sejak awal konflik hingga hari 157. Militer Ukraina mendapat bantuan peralatan tempur dari berbagai negara termasuk Amerika Serikat, Inggris, Jerman, Polandia dan sekutu dari Barat. Termasuk roket jarak menengah HIMARS dan meriam howitzer M777, drone tempur dan pelatihan militer.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based weapons in the evening of July 28 destroyed military train at Krasnoarmeysk station in Donetsk People's Republic, carrying elite assault battalion of the 1st Separate Brigade of the Ukrainian president. More than 140 nationalists were killed. About 250 more fighters were wounded to varying degrees of severity. All military equipment is out of action. On July 29, high-precision air-based weapons hit temporary deployment point of the 110th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Yasnobrodovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The strike destroyed up to 30 servicemen, military equipment and depot with rockets for Grad combat vehicles. High-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit temporary deployment point of the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Artomovsk. The compound suffered losses of up to 50 servicemen and 8 pieces of military equipment. High-precision Iskander missiles hit temporary deployment point of Kraken nationalist group equipped in the hangars of local meat processing plant near Bogodukhov in Kharkov region. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of up to 30 nationalists and 10 units of military equipment. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 8 command posts were hit, including those of the 80th Airborne Assault Brigade near Seversk and the 72nd Mechanized Brigade near Artomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 256 areas of enemy manpower and military equipment concentration. 3 depots of missile and artillery weapons and ammunition of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade near Artomovsk and the 24th Mechanized Brigade near Soledar in Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed. 1 MiG-29 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force has been shot down near Kryvyi Rog by the Russian Aerospace Forces fighter aircraft. In addition, 1 US-made AN-TPQ-36A counter-battery radar station near Nikiforovka in Donetsk People's Republic and 1 US-made AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery radar station near Novovorontsovka in Kherson region were also destroyed. As part of counter-battery fighting, 2 American M777 howitzers near Stepnogorsk in Zaporozhye region and 1 battery of Uragan multiple rocket launchers near Kurdumovka, 2 artillery batteries of Gyatsin B howitzers in Kodema and Bilaya Gora areas in Donetsk People's Republic were destroyed. 6 platoons of Grad MLRS, 2 batteries of Gvozdika self-propelled artillery mounts, 3 artillery platoons of D-20 guns, 4 artillery platoons of D-30 guns at firing positions were suppressed near Seversk, Paraskovyevka, Zvanovka, Razdolovka, Novgorodskoye, Dzержинsk, Orlovka, Kamyshevacha, Kurachovo in Donetsk People's Republic, Druzhnoye, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, Shirokoye, Malaya Korenicha, Kirovo, Kalinovka, and Berezhnegavatoye in Nikolaev region. Russian air defense means have shot down 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Brashkovka, Glubokoye, Donetskoye, Novaya Dmitrovka, Velikaya Kamyshevacha, Chervona Gusarovka, Izum, Petropavlovka in Kharkov region, Pesky in Donetsk People's Republic, and Kherson. In addition, 6 shells of multiple launch rocket systems have been intercepted in the air over Novaya Kakhovka, Chervony Mayak, and 2 Tochka-U ballistic missiles near Staraya Mayachka in Kherson region. In total, 261 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,644 unmanned aerial vehicles, 361 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,190 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 772 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,217 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,573 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.